Welcome, pimps. Welcome all. Welcome to Rapid Return Investing, to the first episode of the flagship series $100 to $1,000. Hashtag RRR-challenge. Now, I am your host, the Charmer, aka the Penny Stock Pimp. This challenge follows me as I attempt to pimp this small brokerage account tenfold through active trading. Upon reaching upon reaching the $1,000 goal, Rapid Return Investing will raffle off $100 brokerage account funding to one of its subscribers. So the question is that everyone wants to know: can I pimp? Can I put it in my pocket? Can I grow this account tenfold from $100 to $1,000? Well, if I can, then a lucky subscriber of Rapid Return Investing will get $100. And then they'll be able to enter this challenge on the next season alongside me and see if they can pimp too. Well, that is the question. Well, let's just go into it and see where we are. So, as you can see on the 22nd, we went ahead and established some positions. We had $88 invested, put 60 of it into ticker symbol BRCB, that's Black Rock Coffee Bar. We put $13 of that into ticker symbol embc, and then we put $15 into ticker symbol optu. Now, one thing I want to point out is sometimes when you go to select the option, you may be like one of the first ones or nobody's really purchasing it, but don't let that hinder you. So I already had an idea with BRCB, and that idea stemmed from what I saw in the charts on that. As you can see, this day is when I took a position here, and immediately we got what I was looking for. I was out here on this third day. There I was out. And again, it's because of this account, this type of account. This is one of the stock that I would have held, but with this account, it's really about in and out. This is a rapid return investing. So it's not, your typical way that I would particularly do things. But nevertheless, that's why I did that. That's why I got out. But as you can see, that stock is just looking really, really good. So it is what it is. But we invested that. At the end of the day, it closed at 1 cent, right? It opened at 1 cent, closed at 1 cent. All right. So I was down $58, so it seems. But again, you don't lose anything unless you sell, right? So it's unrealized P&L. All right. So on Tuesday, we were able to go ahead and take profit on those. So this one went crazy, and we sold at 40 cents. So we made $20 off of that. Off of this one, we made $7. We sold at 20. On this one, we sold at 25 cents. So we made another $10. So that's our 37 in profit. All right. We got back into this and accumulated 6 more contracts. All right. Because we expect that OPTU is going to do some real hoeing for a pimp real soon. So it was imperative that we got a position there. Today, not much going on in the account. Didn't see a crazy move from OPTU. However, because we still have money in the account, we were able to go ahead and pick up Sleep Number, ticker snbr. And this is one of my favorites going into finishing up this week strong. So let's take a look at it. Okay, sleep number. Before I get into this ticker, as you can see right there with that, I want to point out a ticker that has a similar pattern, and you can see where it's gone. So sleep number, we've come all the way, YEX, we've come all the way down. We bottomed out here, went up to the EMA 20. EMA 20 is where we're going to see a rejection. We got rejected. We came back down. We didn't go all the way back down like I thought we would. We came and presented a lower high, right? A higher low, pardon me. And as you can see, we have already got the lift off. Now let's take a look at sleep number, because it is a very similar pattern, and I expect the same type of movement with this as well. And with this, we're going to be testing this 325 area and then also this 4 area. So I like this stock a lot, and I like the potential that it presents here. So we got a little bit of time. We picked up the leap option for September, so we got a little time to play around with this one and see what happens. All right. Other than that, OPTU, really loving this stock. I am really loving the potential that we're gonna have with this one. So let's just see what it does. You know what I mean? And we'll go from there. But this is going to be a very, very different type of trading strategy and style. But this is going to be a very, very fun challenge, especially when we get to that $1,000 pretty expeditiously, and someone is rewarded with $100 to trade beside me on the next challenge. Sound investing in success. Young P, whatever you do in life, remain in logic. Don't reduce yourself down to a bitch ass nigga by becoming emotional, and pimp. Chomp.